Hello friends, welcome back. This is Adhika Badari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn encapsulation and abstraction. Okay, so as you can see here, encapsulation. It is the bundling of data and methods, right? So encapsulation basically means having all the data and methods and all the properties at one place. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this method and we have this variable, class variable, we have these parameters and all these things that are needed, and they have been bundled inside a single class, right? So this is called encapsulation. And we have another term, abstraction, that is hiding the complexity from user. Okay, so here if you can see, for checking how many instances we have, let's run it once. See, person class has two instances, right? So for checking how many instances we have, we just use the method instance number. But we do not know, means we know, but the user who will use this function won't know that what is the actual function and variables are there that we have used to find out the number of instances that our class has, right? So this is called abstraction. We have hidden the complexity from the user. Now suppose if we have a list here, okay, 5, okay. Now if we try to find the length of our list, okay, length of list, let's run it. See, 5 is the length of our list. Now what we did is we just called the function, right? But we do not know that what is the actual functioning and variables are there in the class that have been used to find out the length of the list, right? So whosoever had made this class list has hidden the complexity from us. We do not know the code, right? So this is called abstraction, means hiding complexity from the user. So hope this is clear to you. So right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in next video guys.